In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize shipping options for your online store using Squarespace. Whether you're offering products from your cozy home office or managing a bustling e-commerce platform, having a well-thought-out shipping strategy is key to keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. We'll walk through the steps to set up different types of shipping methods that suit your business needs and make checkout a breeze. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, choose the specific website you want to work with. With Squarespace, it's straightforward, so just make sure you're set on the correct site to avoid any accidental changes to the wrong one. Next, we'll head over to the Commerce menu, which is essentially your control center for everything related to selling. Here, you'll find various options related to products, orders, and, of course, shipping. Go ahead and select Shipping to begin customizing how you get your products into the hands of your customers. Now, you're ready to add a new shipping option. You'll see an option to click Add Shipping Option. This is where the magic happens, as you get to choose how you want to charge for shipping. There are a few different methods available, so it's all about what fits your business model best. First up is the flat rate option. This is a great choice if you prefer simplicity and want to charge a fixed price for all orders within a particular shipping zone. It's particularly useful if you sell items that are generally similar in size and weight, making shipping costs predictable. If your products vary more in size and weight, you might consider the weight-based option. With this method, shipping costs are calculated based on the total weight of the items in an order. You can define price tiers based on pounds or other weight units. For instance, you could offer free shipping for orders under 1 pound, but charge a set fee for orders over 10 pounds. This flexibility can help strike the perfect balance between cost and customer satisfaction. The third option is carrier-calculated shipping. This is an excellent choice for those who want precision. By connecting a shipping carrier service, you'll be able to automatically calculate the exact shipping costs for your customers based on their location, order weight, and dimensions. It ensures accuracy and lets your customers know exactly what they're paying for. Don't forget to configure the rates carefully. For flat rate, simply enter the shipping cost directly. With weight-based options, define your price tiers, keeping an eye on your margins. And for carrier-calculated shipping, you'll need to connect with your preferred carrier to display real-time rates at checkout. Once you've decided on the type of shipping option to offer, it's time to set your shipping zones. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify which countries or regions each shipping option will apply to. It helps manage customer expectations and keeps everything organized. Finally, remember to hit Save to ensure all your hard work gets applied. With that, you're all set to offer streamlined and effective shipping choices for your customers, enhancing their shopping experience and hopefully